Here we discuss one problem from AGP, arithmetico-geometric progression. This problem is if the sum of two infinite of the series 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x cube is 35 by 16, then the value of x is there. We have to find out what is the x value. So this is given series. That series 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x cube, so on. This sum is 35 by 16. Now we try to split this given series into two parts. One is we write first term is 1, it's multiplied by 1, plus second term is 4x, that 4 multiplied by x. Third term is 7x square, 7 multiplied by x square, plus 10 multiplied by x cube, plus so on. In this we will see first part of the series 1, 4 first terms 1, 4, 7, 10. We write separately this 1, 4, 7, 10, so on. This is infinite series. Here first term is 1, second term is 4, third term 7, fourth term is 10. If you see the difference between the two consecutive terms, 4 minus 1 is 3, 7 minus 4 is 3, 10 minus 7 is 3. So difference is common, difference is same. First term generally we denoted by a, that is 1, and common difference is 7 minus 4, that is equals to 3. So common difference is fixed. So this progression is what? AP. Now we will take a second part of the series. Second part of the series, first term here 1, 1, second term x, third term x square, fourth term x cube, so on. Here this is an infinite series, common ratio is always less than 1. Then first term is 1 and a common ratio if you take x by 1, x square by x is also x, x cube by x square is also x. So common ratio is x by 1, second term by first term, or x square by third term by second term, that is equals to x. So from this r is equals to common ratio is equals to x. So now this is the sum of the terms. This total series is sum of the terms. That sum of the terms we write sum is equals to s. S is equals to 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x cube plus so on. Here one thing we remember, this modulus of our infinite series, that is less than 1. This we write s is equals to this term series 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x cube, so on. So next this equation 1, we say this is equation 1. This equation 1 multiplied by what is a common ratio is there. Here common ratio is x. This series sum of the terms is multiplied by x. That we write x into s is equals to, the terms are like this. First term is 1, 1 is multiplied by x, then it's become a x. Second term is 4x. 4x is multiplied by x, that is 4x square. Third term is 7x square. That 7x square multiplied by x, that become a 7x cube, plus fourth term is 10x cube, that multiplied by x, that is become a 10x to the power of 4. This is equation number 2. From equation number 1, we subtract this equation number 2. Equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1, what is there? S is equals to, equation 1 is S is equals to 1 plus 4x plus 7x square plus 10x to the power of 3, 10x cube, plus so on. Equation number 2, that this equation multiplied by x, that is x s is equals to 1 into x. This is the equation. So we write x term below the x term, x plus 4x square plus 7x cube, plus so on. Now we subtract second equation terms. The term sign will be positive is changed as a negative, negative is changed as a positive. All are positives, those are changed as a negative. Here what we write? S minus x s is equals to, here one first term is same as it is 1 plus 4x minus x, that is 3x, plus 7x square minus 4x square, that is 3x square, plus 10x cube minus 7x cube, that is 3x cube, plus so on. This is a difference between the two series. Now LHS side is this is there. So in this s is common is there. S take a common. S of 1 minus x, that is equals to 1 plus remaining part of the series. In each and every term there is a 3. 3 take a common. Then what is the remaining part? X plus x square plus x cube, plus so on. Now in this in a second part, RHS part, if you take this one, it is very clearly GP, that is x plus x square plus x cube, plus so on. This is infinite series. This is infinite GP. In this common ratio, A is equals to x, that is first term. Common ratio is equals to x square by x, that is equals to x. We have a formula S infinity of GP. First term by 1 minus R. So this is the sum of infinite GP formula. Here A is equals to x, R is equals to x. Then we write S infinity is equals to x by 1 minus x. So this value, S infinity value, we substitute here in this place. So 3 of x plus x square plus x cube. In that place we substitute. That is S of 1 minus x is equals to 1 plus S infinity value. What is it? X by 1 minus x. That we substitute here. Then S is equals to S of 1 minus x is equals to, here is a 1 plus 3x by 1 minus x. In RHS side we take a LCM. That is S of 1 minus x is equals to, LCM is 1 minus x. 1 into 1 minus x is 1 minus x plus 3x. S of 1 minus x is equals to minus x plus 3x, that is plus 2x by 1 minus x. Here this 1 minus x we bring LHS to RHS. S is equals to 1 plus 2x by 1 plus x. 1 minus x bring this side. 1 minus x into 1 minus x. That S is equals to, we got it, 1 plus 2x by 1 minus x whole square. Here one thing we given in a problem, that is sum of these series is 35 by 16. That we substitute in place of S. (35 by 16) is equals to 1 plus 2x by 1 minus x whole square. Now by doing cross multiplication, now what is that? 35 into 1 minus x whole square is equals to 16 of 1 plus 2x. By expanding this 35, that is 1 plus x square a minus b whole square expansion minus 2x is equals to 16 of 1 plus 2x. By multiplying 35 into the bracket, that is 35 plus 35 x square minus 35 into 2, 70 x, that is equals to 16 plus 32x. These two terms from LHS to bring RHS, or from RHS to LHS. First I write x square term, 35 x square minus 70x. On RHS side there is a 32x is there, that become a minus 32x, plus here 35 is there. RHS there is a 16 is there, minus 16, and RHS side remains only 0. 35x square as it is. Here 70 minus 32. Minus 70 minus 32 is 102x plus 35 minus 16 is 9, that is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation in variable x. So if you find out the roots of this quadratic equation, x values, we will get a 2 values. So it may be a 2 values are there, x values, or otherwise any one of the values there, because of a common ratio is less than 1. Now that quadratic equation is 35 x square minus 102 x plus 19 is equals to 0. So finding the roots, there are splitting middle term method is there. By using that method, first of all we multiply the x square coefficient, numerical coefficient and constant term, that is 35 multiplied by 19. 35 multiplied by 19 is 19 5 95, and 19 3 is 57. 57 plus 9 is 66. 665. This 665 split into a sum of two terms, two numbers, and the product of those two numbers sorry, this 665 split into a product of two numbers, and that factor sum should be 102. So if you see like that, that is 95 into 7, or minus 95 into minus 7. Minus 95 into minus 7. That is 665 plus 665. Minus 95 plus of minus 7, that is equals to minus 102. Minus 95 plus of minus 7 is equals to minus 102. So this term we split like this: minus 7x minus 95x. Here is a plus 19 is there. Here 35 x square is this equal to 0. In a first two terms, we take 7x is as a common, 7x. So 35 divided by 7 is 5. X square divided by x is x. Here 7x divided by 7x is 1. There is a minus 1. So 95 is the factor of, 19 is the factor of 95. 19 minus 19 we take a common, and here is 5x minus here 1 is equals to 0. In both expressions, first and second expression, there is a 5x minus 1, 5x minus same is there. Take a common, 5x minus 1. In first term remains 7x, and second term 19 is equals to 0. Now in this product of two terms is 0, definitely one of the terms should be 0. That 5x minus 1 is equals to 0, or 7x minus 19 is equals to 0. from this 5x is equals to 1. Here x is equals to 1 by 5. The second one, 7x is equals to 19 and x is equals to 19 by 7. This value is greater than 0. This value is a greater than 1. Sorry, greater than 1. So this is an improper fraction. So it is greater than 1. Here is a less than 1 is there. X value is we required only less than 1 because of it's a infinite GP. That R value is a less than 1 because of that x is equals we take 1 by 5 only right answer. And this second answer is not our required one. So x value is equals to 1 by 5. Which option is correct? First option is correct. So this is the procedure to find out a sum of the infinite AGP, arithmetical and geometric progression. So I think you understand very well. So we will do this type of problems in our remaining level problems. So I request you all subscribe our channel, and which we are going to upload in this channel, that notification will be get in your YouTube. So everyone, I request subscribe this channel to get a this type of problems in our previous videos.